All right. So let's go over last week. I had a bearish bias for last week, and my idea got stopped out. I wasn't paying attention. Actually, I think I was paying attention to the fact that yes, we were making lower highs, but I wasn't. I was more so looking from the weekly perspective, and I'm like, okay, well, this made a bullish engulfing. I assume that after the daily candle close, bullish, boom, beautiful engulfing on Wednesday. I bought. The price will continue bullish. I mean, I wouldn't do anything different about this trade aside from the fact that I was trading from the notion that the daily was maintaining higher lows. And when it comes to the current trend, that's actually not the case. Again, lower highs, and then again, of course, we made a lower high. But yeah, so I think the best thing I can do for this week is just wait for a daily candle close bearish again. And then, just do the same thing, except opposite way. Oh. Yeah, just wait for daily candle close bearish and then sell the following day. When there's volume. I would be trading London if I was awake London, but I'm really not. So that's my plan for the following week, for this week. You see how the previous weekly candle closed as a big old nice weekly? We could possibly create support along this level and then continue bullish. But then again, like I would want to see an entire, well, maybe I shouldn't need to see too much because again, the structure is technically bullish on a daily / weekly, higher lows, higher highs. But yeah, I'll just go with whatever's happening right now and just keep it simple. I took this trade last week. It was pretty nice. I plan on taking a sell after we had a daily bearish candle, which is exactly what we had right there. And then the following day, just waited for my turn. But I didn't wait for news. So after, I think it was after this candle closed on the 15-minute, this engulfing, I had my first entry and then that got stopped out. But yeah, then I was all right after that. And now, yeah, for this week, I'll just be waiting for the same thing. Just wait for a daily bearish candle close and then trade the next day. And for gold, yeah, I'm also still bearish on gold. Previous weekly candle close creating support. But still, what are we maintaining? We're maintaining lower highs on the weekly and the daily. So why would I go against that? That's my opinion. Definitely wouldn't sell right now just because the previous daily candle is so strong. However, I did mention that if I take out like the current fib that I do believe I'm in, this point A, or I guess point isn't the situation point A, point B, right? Technically, this is 100%, and yeah, from this level right here, a price could continue bearish, but it's Sunday night. There's no volume. And the previous daily candle closed with a big old engulfing, but I'm just saying, like, this could be like there's a possibility we might not pass this point. Just saying. It's a possibility. Am I taking sells tomorrow? No. I'll take sells Tuesday though. If Monday closes bearish or super weak, then I'll do that. In EU, I didn't take EU sells, although my plan for EU was to wait for this bearish candle to close nice and engulfed. And then the following day to get in for sells. I didn't because I was already in gold and GU and GJ, and I think UJ also. So I just was like, whatever. But I'm glad I didn't though, because we had this ugly wick right there, right when we had news. So I was okay with missing it just because I had GU and gold. which were my winners for the week. And UJ, I think I got to trade her a little bit differently. Oh, also, I'm gonna make it a point to actually wait for a pullback, because I took this trade up here, but it's not on any type of pullback. However, how would I went like point A, point B, put out this high right here? At least now we have some action right here on the 38.2. And I remember I went to the 2 hour, and when this candle closed right here, I wanted to buy so bad, but it was out of session, and I was like, yo, just stay disciplined. And it's crazy because I could have bought the next day. However, having the rule where my previous daily candle had to have just closed bullish, I couldn't take the trade. So couldn't do it. Yeah, interesting times. But yeah, that's my sells on GJ, sells on GU, sells on gold, sells on EU, buys on, yeah, buys on the dollar, up and away forever. Yeah, I think she's gonna go ahead and continue to live her best life in the beyond. All right, that's an official break. That is an official break. So the next time price does come bearish, it might retrace nicely, but I would wait for an entire bearish candle to close on the weekly before you even think about selling the dollar again, just because the trend is so beautiful. But yeah, all right, happy trading. Hold on, let's look up some news. 17. There's a lot of news. But okay, so Monday you're good for. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Don't trade you or you or you or you or you or you. All right, so Wednesday. Oh, Wednesday we're gonna have so much volatility. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Those are gonna be the money days. I already know it. All right, happy trading.